xylene or para-xylene. Now, supposing we have two similar groups, now the next thing, if you have this group, an ethyl group or something else, let's talk about that. In this case, you don't need to say a dimethylbenzene because you can't, because these two groups are totally different from each other. So in that case, there is a priority order. So in that case, you will be prioritizing the compound. Suppose this is a benzoic acid, so the priority of this carboxylic acid group would be first, and you will call this compound as benzoic acid, and due to the presence of this hydroxyl group at third position, you will name it as 3 hydroxy benzoic acid. So this would be the compound. Now let's talk about this. So the priority of this group is more, so we will be naming this compound as benzaldehyde, and due to the presence of this amine group, we will name it as 2-amino benzaldehyde. So that would be 2 compounds. So now let's talk about the priority order. If you talk about the priority order, on the first place you have a benzoic acid group. On the second place you have a cyanide. On the third place you have this aldehyde group. On the fourth place you have this acetyl group. On the fifth place you have a hydroxyl group. On the sixth place you have this amino group. On the seventh place, I guess, you have this OR, and last would be R. Now this problem is solved. According to this priority order, you need to know if you have these 3 compounds, this disubstituted compound, and the type is this. You will have to find that what is X and what is Y. Supposing we are giving the priorities numbers like this, 6, 7, and 8. So according to us, supposing the X group is third, yeah, like this aldehyde group, or the Y group is sixth, so we will consider this whole compound one thing and this as substituent on this compound. So we will write it as 3-amino